In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to easily activate your Apple AirTag and start using it to track your personal items. Whether you're tracking your keys, bag, wallet, or anything else, AirTag offers a simple way to keep tabs on your valuables. Step 1. Unbox your AirTag. Start by unboxing your AirTag. Inside the box, you'll find the AirTag itself and a small paper tab. Pull out the paper tab to activate the AirTag. This will remove the battery insulation and power up the device. Step 2. Bring your AirTag close to your iPhone. To pair your AirTag, bring it close to your iPhone. Make sure your iPhone is running iOS 14.5 or later. Once the AirTag is within range, a pop-up notification will appear on your iPhone screen that says AirTag found. Step 3. Tap Connect. Tap on the Connect button that appears on your screen. This will begin the pairing process. Step 4. Name your AirTag. Next, you'll be asked to give your AirTag a name. You can either choose from the list of suggested names or enter a custom name for your AirTag. This name will help you identify the item you're tracking. Step 5. Assign the AirTag to an item. Select the item you're tracking, like keys, bag, or wallet, or choose a custom name to describe what the AirTag will be attached to. This will help the Find My app organize and label your items efficiently. Step 6. Finish setup. After naming and assigning the AirTag, tap Continue to complete the setup process. Your AirTag will now be registered in the Find My app. Step 7. Test your AirTag. To confirm that everything is working properly, you can test the AirTag by using the Find My app. Open the app, tap on the Items tab, and select your AirTag. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see your AirTag's location on the map. Step 8. Attach the AirTag to your item. Once your AirTag is activated and paired, it's time to attach it to the item you want to track. You can use a keychain, holder, or any other accessory designed for AirTag attachment. Conclusion: you've successfully activated your AirTag and added it to your items. Now, you can easily track your valuables through the Find My app whenever you need to. Whether it's your keys, wallet, or luggage, your AirTag will help you keep your personal items safe and easy to find. Tips for using your AirTag. AirTag's battery lasts for over a year, and the device will notify you when the battery is low. Make sure your iPhone is signed in to iCloud and connected to the internet to track your AirTag. AirTags are water-resistant but should not be submerged for extended periods. That's it. Now you're ready to track your belongings with ease.